Hello children, I am Baba Sagar from It's My Science Cafe. In this class, I am going to explain the problems related to the periodic classification of elements. So, very firstly, I am going to discuss about the basic problems which are going to be come in the board examination. So, one by one we are going to look. So, first question is, an atom has an electron configuration of 2, 8, 7. Children, you can see the electronic configuration, how much they have given, 2, 8, 7. So, there are two questions related to this question. So, what is the atomic number of this element? So, we know that by knowing the electronic configuration, we can identify its atomic number. So, what is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 7. Just add these three numbers, so you will be getting 17. So, atomic number of this element is 17. Next question they have given, to which of the following elements would it be chemically similar? Children, they have given some elements, nitrogen, fluorine, phosphorus, argon, with the atomic numbers. So, if you want to find out the chemical properties of that particular elements, that means we already know the modern periodic table is classified, that way especially the groups in the modern periodic table are classified based on the same physical and chemical properties. So, if the elements belongs to the same group, then they will be showing the same chemical properties. So now what we have to do, here we are having the atomic number, because electronic configuration, after electronic configuration we come to know its atomic number. So when we know its atomic number is 17, we come to know the element chlorine. So fluorine is 9, then after fluorine, chlorine will come. So both are belongs to the 17th group. And if you can write the atomic electronic configuration of the fluorine, its electronic configuration will be 2, 7. So 7 is there. This is also another method to identify the chemical properties, whether it is the same or not. So its electronic configuration 7, and the given elements electronic configuration also 7. So both are matching. So you can check for the nitrogen also, it will be 2, 5. So it is not matching. So this will be not having the similar chemical properties. So phosphorus 2, 8, 5 is there. Argon 2, 8 is there. So which will be? That is fluorine. By seeing its atomic number only, we can come to know that it is chlorine, and hence that chlorine is coming below the fluorine. So it belongs to 17th group, and 17th group elements having the same chemical properties. I hope you understood this question. So moving to the next question. So this is the second question, children. Read the question. An element X has an atomic number 13. They have given the element X with the atomic number X is equal to 13. Okay. So read the given questions now. Write its electronic configuration. First of all, what you have to do? We need to write its electronic configuration. So 2, 8, 3. K2, L8 and M3. So second question is, state the group to which X belongs. So we already know how to find out the period and groups in the modern periodic table. So apply the same thing. So if you want to find out the groups, how we are going to find out the groups? If the number of valence electrons are 1 here 2 is there, then it belongs to first group here second group. If the valence electrons are more than 2, or from the 3, if it is there 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that, we need to add with the 10. So its valence electrons is 3. So what you need to do? 10 plus 3 we have to do. So that how much it will come? It will be 13. That means it belongs to 13th group. So third question is, write the formula when X is combined with the bromine. So we know the valence electron. So by this we can easily find out the X valency. Okay, and we know the valency of bromine also. What is the valency of bromine? Bromine belongs to 17th group, hence its valency will be 1. Okay, so write down X and Br. So bromine is having 1 valency, and X we know that previously we have written the electronic configuration, that is 2, 8, 3. So 3 valence electrons, so 3 valency. So cross multiply this one. So what is the formula of this? X Br3. So this is the formula of the given compound with the bromine. I hope you understood this. 3 questions. So moving to the third question. So very firstly we have to find out the elements which are present in the same period. So I already told you how to find out the elements which are present in the same period or which are present in the same group. So in order to check the elements which are present in the same period, we need to check their number of shells. Okay, so for that purpose we need to write the electronic configuration of the given elements. So very firstly carbon they are given with atomic number 6, so 2, 4. Next oxygen is there, oxygen is 2, 6. Nitrogen is there, nitrogen is 2, 5. Okay, silicon is there, silicon is 14, atomic number 2, 8, 4. Next sodium is there, sodium is 11, so 2, 8, 1. See, here you just give the name of the shell. So K2L4, K2L6, K2L5. So here K2L8, M4, K2L8, M1. Okay, like this you have distributed the given elements. So now what I said, in order to find out the elements which are present in the same period is what it should be. It should be in the same number of shells will be there. So out of these 5 elements, they have given the 5 elements. In that carbon is having 2 shells, that is K and L. Oxygen is also having K and L, and nitrogen is also having K and L. So these 3 elements belongs to the same period. Okay, and this silicon and sodium will be belongs to the same period. So here it is having 2 shells and here it is having 3 shells. So if the element which is having 2 shells, then that element belongs to the second period. If it is 3 shells are there, then it is belongs to third period. So carbon, oxygen and nitrogen belongs to the second period, and silicon and sodium belongs to the third period. So read the second question. What is that? Element should be in the same group. Whatever the given elements are there, their electronic configuration we have already written. And in the previous problem, I told you how to find out the group. Okay. So if the same number of valence electrons are there, they will be belongs to the same group. So just check it over here. So carbon is having 2, 4. Oxygen is 2, 6, 2, 5. So out of these 3 elements, all are different. So silicon is there, sodium is there. So silicon is having 4 valence electron, carbon is having 4 valence electron. So carbon and silicon belongs to the same group. Understood, children? I hope you understood this question also. So moving to the fourth question. Read the question, children. An element X is placed in the third period and 13th group in the modern periodic table. So here are some questions we need to answer. Okay. So once again I am reading the question. An element X is placed in the third period and 13th group in the modern periodic table. So we need to answer the following question here. So have a look here. See very firstly write the electronic configuration of X. So they didn't give any atomic number. We already know that by knowing its position in the modern periodic table, we can identify its atomic number also. So based on that we can do. So third period and 13th group, the element which is present in the third period and 13th group. Okay, if you know directly you can write as the atomic number 13 you can write, because the element of third period and present in the third group, 13th group will be atomic number 13, that is aluminium. Okay, like that also you can do. Otherwise, if you don't know, you can do like that. See, third period starting from the sodium. Okay, so sodium is 11, magnesium is 12. So sodium belongs to first group, magnesium belongs to second group, and aluminium is present in the 13th group. So with the atomic number 13. Clear? So you got the atomic number of that element. So this is the method you can easily find out the atomic number of that particular element. So the atomic number of X is 13 now. Okay, what you have to do? Electronic configuration you have to write. So 2, 8, 3. Clear? So next question is write the formula of when X is combined with another element Y. They have given the atomic number, that is 17. So here you should not mention any element's name. Whatever they have given, if they have given X, Y, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, whatever the word they have given, whatever the letter they have given, that letter only we need to use. So y they have taken. So you just write x with the x and y, right? And y atomic number is 17, so write down its electronic configuration so that it is easy to find out the valency. So it's 2, 8, 7 is there. So 8 minus 7, valency will be 1. This is the way how we can find out the valency. Okay. So x is 3 and y is 1, cross multiply. What is the formula? X, y, 3. So this is the molecular formula when x is combined with the y. Clear, children? Next question, write the oxide of the element. Oxide means when the element is combined with the oxygen, oxide is going to particular respective oxide will be forming. So given x is there, so write down x, its electronic configuration, we already know 2, 8, 3, that means valency is 3, and they are telling oxide we need to write, that means oxide means oxygen we know, so oxygen valency is 2. Okay. So just write down the compound, so x and O. What is the valency of x? 3, oxygen is 2, so cross multiply, you will be getting x2O3. This is the oxide of the given compound. So I hope you understood this problem, and you can take many other example by taking any other video, any other group, and you can solve the same type of problems. Moving to the next question. So this is the fifth question. Read the question. Two elements x and y have atomic number 11 and 16 they have given. So write the electronic configuration of both. You have to write the electronic configuration of both we need to write. So the atomic number 11, so what is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 1, and atomic number 16 they have given 2, 8, 6. Okay, this is of y and this is of x element. So first question is completed. Second question, which type of bond they will form? So before writing the bond, we should know that when metals and non-metals combine together, what type of bond it will form, and when non-metals and non-metals will combine, then what type of bond it will form. So here, when both one will be metal and one will be non-metal, they have given. So metal and non-metal combine together, they will form an ionic bond. If non-metal combine, then it is covalent bond. So here, what it is there? One is metal and one is non-metal. So both will combine together to form an ionic bond. Okay. Next, third question. Write the formula of the compound formed by the combination of x and y they have given. So same in the last how we did in the last problem, that only we are going to do here. So say the valency of x is 1. So write down the x with 1 valency and y with the valence electron is 6. So 8 minus 6, that is 2 valency. So 2. Then cross multiply, what will be the formula? That is x2 and y. x2 y. This is the compound when x is combined with the y, and one is a metal and one is a non-metal, so that it will be forming the ionic bond. I hope you understood this problem, and whatever the problem which I have explained, so based on that you can take many other examples and you can solve. So in the next video I will come up with many other examples, so you also need to practice this type of questions. You can take and you can practice it. Okay, if you understood these questions, just comment and tell me, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification of all my videos. Thank you.